welcome back to our channel. And yes, sorry to disturb. I know you all are enjoying Iska ambience. This is one of the famous restaurant known as Tanatan, and which is situated in Dadar. And trust me, guys, इसका ambience उतना ही अच्छा है जितना उसका खाना. And really, the food is also equally tasty. And let's see what else I get to show you all. So you all keep holding the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So guys, located in the special area, यहाँ पे very famous celebrities have also visited this restaurant like Tiger Shroff. And you all can see your local photographs on the screen. They have presented the photographs of the famous celebrities who have visited this and dined in over here. So you all can have a look when when the LED is playing on the screen. And also Disha Patni, and he is the famous singer. उनका जो गाना अभी बहुत फेमस हो गया था, you all know it very much better than me. And yeah, see, she is Disha Patni who has also visited. अगर टाइगर श्रॉफ ने विजिट किया तो ये बंदी भी विजिट करेगी, दैट इज़ बट द ऑब्वियस. एंड गाइज ट्रस्ट मी, हमारा खाना आना शुरू हो गया है. एंड आई वांट टू शो यू ऑल व्हाट्स द स्पेशल मेन्यू टुडे. सो गाइज, ये है हमारा मसाला पापड़. रियली रियली टेस्टी, यम्मी. एक पोर्शन में 3 पापड़ यू गेट.
Alright, so popcorn shake.
Something new? Or you've tasted this before?
I have tasted, but milk के साथ में I will be tasting for the first time popcorn shake. So let's see. It has got cinnamon powder का flame on top and actual cinnamon popcorn to have along with that. Popcorn fresher, which is tasting nice. Let's see the main dish. It's very nice. Actually, you can while having, you can taste popcorn drink maybe. Popcorn तो definitely बाजू में है, but still you can taste the flavor of popcorn in the drink with a cinnamon flavor to it, which is giving very fresh feel to it, which seems very nice.
So it's nice.
Taste how the starter, but ये है
Buckets.
उसके tips.
Buckets.
Bucket of dips. So mint chutney है. You can see onion, लच्छा onion with chili and pickle. This is pickle. If I'm not mistaken, this is that tomato chutney जो तड़का देते हैं ना, with your rye and all of the साउथ इंडियन वाला फ्लेवर आता है जैसे. एंड दिस इज योर रेगुलर मिंट चटनी. सो आई विल ट्राई बोथ थोड़ा थोड़ा. आई विल हैव योर मिंट चटनी. आई विल ऑल्सो हैव got both the chutneys. Let's try the chutney. It's chutney time. And also we'll be having some salad. So एक मिनट, आई गेस आप लोगों को नहीं दिख रहा होगा बड़ा खाना। ये डिप का काम हो गया है। आई विल बी पुटिंग दिस ऑन साइड एंड लेट्स सी हाउ द चिकन इज। द चिकन लुक्स टेंडर, cooked really nice. तंदूर में बना है ज़ाफ़रानी चिकन। पहले आई जस्ट टेस्ट विदाउट द डिप्स टू अंडरस्टैंड द फ्लेवर। In the first bite only you can make that it has got really nice saffrony flavor. Now I'll be trying some of your mint chutney. Mint chutney is doing its work really well.
So overall,
It's very fresh feeling with the mint chutney, and crispy salad is washing your tongue to get ready for the next bite. I was right about it. It is a tomato chutney with it will go very well with your any chicken pepper wali gravy. It will go very well. Very nice combination. Thank you.
really nice.
The second one. You want to try that?
What? Something very nice.
Made something special for you,
Oh,
which is Pan Ki Shaan, a drink which has got pan.
ये आखिर में पान जो जूस है.
So yeah, he tried his level best to impress with pan, and as you can see, it has got all the Indian spices along with the pan leaf, and very thoughtful preparation, which is just keep it. Yes. Okay, so something healthy. Wow.
ये वेज
So it's like a scooper.
promoting veg also.
It's like a scooper. और ये है बेड पे, तो चारपाई, और चारपाई पे आया है किनवा, बिकॉज किनवा इज़ नोन, इट इज़ वेरी हेल्दी, और उसका सीख तो आई एम श्योर वेजिटेरियंस खाना तो बनता है भाई यहाँ पर, बिकॉज यू कैन सी द प्रेजेंटेशन, एंड आफ्टर टेस्टिंग फर्स्ट फूड आई एम वेरी मच श्योर दिस विल बी यम्मी, तो आई कैन नॉट वेट.
सो गाइज ये जो क्या बोलते हैं आई डोंट नो, बट उसके अंदर हमको बिल मिला. ओके, इन दैट कॉपर जिसके अंदर से पानी लेते हैं, आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू कॉल इट, बट ओवरऑल द एक्सपीरियंस वाज रियली ऑसम. वन टाइम गो एंड यू विल रियली एंजॉय द ambience, the music and everything all over. And yeah, मतलब अगर आपको जाना है तो it's worth going because it's not that expensive being in such a nice place and all celebrity visiting this place. As far as I know, last week even Tapasri Pannu had attended to dine out here. I guess last week it was on the news. So yeah, still I'm showing you all the beautiful ambience, which is really beautiful. और अभी जाने का टाइम है, एक्चुअली जाने का मन नहीं है, बट या. एंड थैंक्स टू माई husband's best friend, that is Mr. Vivek, for his cooperation, and yeah, due to which हमारा वीडियो आज इतना सक्सेसफुल और इतना अच्छा बन गया है. Actually I'm in love with this video and have a look at its night ambience. और इसी के साथ आज के लिए बस इतना ही guys. If you are new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe it. I know you want to subscribe it, and hopefully we reach our target very soon.